How to log in Aramco Career. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Aramco Career. Login in Aramco Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Aramco Career. Type Aramco Career login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the Aramco Career homepage, locate the login button. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your email address or username. Input the email address or username associated with Aramco Career account in the designated field. Click on login. After entering the credential, click on the login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provide are correct, you will be logged into Aramco Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard where you can view job openings, update your profile and perform other relevant actions. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.